Welcome back to our channel, where we take you on a journey through the ever-evolving world of sports technology. Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for some amazing virtual golf deals that will elevate your game to the next level. Now, let's get into it. In the past, golf was often seen as a leisurely game, reserved for sunny days and sprawling green courses. But with advancements in technology, the game is changing, evolving into an all-weather, anytime sport that can be played right in the comfort of your home. Today, we're exploring a technology that's reshaping the way we play and perceive golf simulators. Join us as we take you on a journey from its humble beginnings to its current status as a game-changer in the world of sports. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal how this technology is transforming golf into an even more immersive, engaging, and accessible sport for everyone. So grab your virtual clubs and let's tee off into the world of golf simulators. Up next, we're exploring the rise of this game-changing technology. Captivating, immersive, and revolutionizing. These are just a few words that have been used to describe the recent surge in popularity of golf simulators. No longer just a hobbyist's toy, these high-tech marvels are taking center stage in the world of golf, transforming the way the game is played and enjoyed. Just last month, the sports world was abuzz with the announcement of the Tiger Woods and Rory McIlroy's new indoor golf league, TGL. Founded in collaboration with Mike McCarley, this virtual golf league is set to bring the thrill of the golf course right into our living rooms. 18 players, 6 teams, and a purpose-built arena in sunny Palm Beach, Florida. This is golf like you've never seen it before. But it's not just the big names that are embracing this technology. Golf simulators are becoming a staple in homes and businesses across the globe. From the casual player looking to improve their swing, to the golf enthusiast who wants to experience the world's top courses without leaving their living room, golf simulators offer an unparalleled experience. And it's not just about the game. With players wearing live microphones, fans are given unprecedented access to the players, adding a whole new layer of engagement. This is not just a game changer for golf, but for the world of sports broadcasting as a whole. But what makes these golf simulators so special? It's all in the technology. Utilizing advanced sensors and high-definition displays, these simulators can recreate the physics of a golf swing and the topography of a golf course with stunning accuracy. Whether you're practicing your drive or putting on the 18th hole, these simulators offer an immersive and realistic golf experience. In conclusion, the rise of golf simulators signifies a new era in the world of golf. They offer an accessible and immersive way to enjoy the sport, and their impact is far-reaching. From transforming the way the game is played and watched, to opening up new opportunities for players and fans alike, golf simulators are truly revolutionizing the sport. Now that we've seen the impact of golf simulators and are looking towards a future where they are an integral part of the sport, let's take a moment to appreciate the transition that golf enthusiasts are making from the traditional golf course to the virtual green. In this evolving golf landscape, players are not only honing their skills through high-tech simulators, but also embracing a new way of enjoying the sport. The virtual swing has become a symbol of this change, as golfers trade in their real-world clubs for digital counterparts. The transition may seem daunting to some, but the benefits are undeniable. With golf simulators, there is no need to worry about weather conditions or travel to distant golf courses. Practice sessions can be scheduled at any time, and performance data is instantly available for review and improvement. Furthermore, golf simulators are not just about the game. They're an immersive experience that brings the thrill of golf right into your living room, office, or wherever you choose to play. From the sound of the club hitting the ball to the realistic visuals, every aspect of the game is replicated to offer a truly immersive golfing experience. So, are you ready to embrace the virtual swing? So, next time you're itching for a round of golf, why not consider a golf simulator? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these high-tech marvels offer a golfing experience like no other. The future of golf is here, and it's more exciting than ever before.